she will play it because she's a crazy reviewer, gamer. Hopefully this song is shorter for you guys because she thinks the last one was too long, but she still is a crazy cat lady, you gamer. Hopefully this is the last one because like before, I don't like singing these songs.
CrazyCatLady Gamer Reviewer or Martha Butler does not own any trailers or pictures. I use them under fair use for educational and entertainment purposes.
Hey everybody, Martha here. Wow, I got a lot of stuff to carry here. So anyway, first we got two things to talk about in this video, which is Kingdom Hearts Dark Road, which is the title of Project Xehanort, the mobile game Square Enix released last week. It's set for reveal last week. Released spring 2020. Development of Square Enix has announced the official title of the Kingdom Hearts mobile game, Dark Road. So yeah, this is the one that has to do with Xehanort and him. If you wonder what that is talked about, you play Remind or watch me play it. Xehanort and the Masters talk about a world tour with him going on before he goes evil. So it's kind of an origin story, kind of in a way. Because I think it's even before he even has that chess game with Ericus. So yeah. So I'm guessing we're just going to see a bunch of worlds that he goes through. And we're going to see them like 74 years. Or 70, 70, not 7, like 70, let's do 70-ish years before Soaring does it. So they better make the characters look different, whatever world they go to. Better make the characters look different or have different characters and completely. So yeah. Anyway, so let's watch. And we also got this trailer of the 3 Disney Plus shows they're gonna show this year, which are, let me remind you, and some from next year, one for next year. Winter Soldier, WandaVision, and the last one will be Loki's. So let's watch this. Oh, is Vulture gonna throw it? Come on, Sam. If you can throw that darn thing.
Wanda, welcome home.
Oh, okay. A lot of different styles.
Vision residents.
TV show.
I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
Go ahead. So it was only like 30 seconds, but I think they only just started filming Loki's one recently. So I'll give you a rundown of what's going on in each of them that I know of. So we'll start with Vulture and Winter Soldier. So Sam has to prove that he is to the government that he is Captain America material, because I think they're trying to find somebody else to already replace Cap that Steve did not pick. So yeah, and with Wanda, she's trying to remade Vision, and she's gonna probably have her kids in this version, and she wants to have a normal life. But I'm guessing they're like going for a whole different, all different TV styles. Ones are for, I was for one for those kids of nowadays are for how TV days are nowadays. So yeah, that's what we saw, black and white one, and TV stuff like that, and then we have seen one other thing with when we get to Doctor Strange would be doing with House of M, basically, or this is House of M, I don't know. Which is when she gets mad that her kids are not real and she explodes on them and destroys them mutants. So I don't know if we're actually going to do this on here because it has the introduced mutants to this world. And what I know about Loki, it's he's going around history. Basically, that's all I can think of, and having fun with it. So I know about that one. I barely know anyone about that one. So. Can't wait for all three of them. I think we get Winter Soldier and Vulture first. If I'm not mistaken, you can correct me if you want to. But find out. I know next month we get the Clone Worlds. So yeah. So bye bye guys. Like, share, and subscribe.